Considered the originator of email. Answer R. Tomlinson. Next question, processing answer input transforming into output. Next question, e-business means business on the internet. Next question, the maximum amount of data that can be stored in a storage media is called answer storage capacity. Next question, which was not used in the first generation computer? Answer vacuum tube, cards and magnetic core. Next question, CD is the full form of RW. Answer compact disc read writable. Next question, which menu is selected for print? Answer file. Next question, dash is a program that make it easy to use a computer. Answer operating system. Question, the popular method of studying through computer and internet without going to the classroom is called answer e-learnings. Next question, on CD you can answer reading and writing. Next question, dash there are two major classes of software. Answer system and application. Next question, the time taken by a device to locate data and instruction and make them available to the CPU is called answer access time. Next question, which memory has the shortest access time? Answer cache memory. Next question, most mail program automatically complete the two part of an email. Answer from and date. Next question, which part of the computer represent the work done? Answer monitor. Next question, when the computer is closed after saving the file, the data remains the same. Answer in secondary storage. Next question, make it possible to buy and sell goods using a computer. Answer e-commerce. Megahertz unit is used to measure the speed of answer process. Or next question, what is CC? Answer sending copy by email to more than one person. Next question, which is a part of a system unit? Answer CPU. Next question, dash is the built-in memory of the computer. Answer ROM. Next question, CD-ROM disk is answer can be raised and rewritten. Next question, under bus network answer different nodes and devices of the network are connected in a straight line. Next question, what is the series of instruction that tells the computer what to do and how to do it? Answer program. Next question, what are the free email service providers? Answer Hotmail, Reddit and Yahoo. Question, who is called the father of computer science? Answer Charles Babbage. Next question, the word blog is communication of two words. Answer weblog. Next question, dash command execution process. Answer executing. Next question, what is the full form of email? Answer electronic mail. Next question, networking are in the form of conveyance. Answer email faculty, B web faculty and C upload and download faculty. Next question, which sign is necessary to start a formula in Excel? Answer, it is equal. Next question, which is the fastest, largest and most expensive computer? Answer supercomputer. Next question, dash is the economy of reusable optical storage. Answer CD-ROM.